Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bagnet. First, you will need approximately 2 pounds of pork belly, cut into a single piece. Begin by boiling the pork belly in a pot with enough water to cover it completely. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 bay leaves for flavor. Simmer for about 45 minutes or until the pork is tender when pierced with a fork. After boiling, carefully remove the pork belly from the water and pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy skin. Heat about 4 cups of cooking oil in a deep pot to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently place the pork belly into the hot oil, skin side down first. Fry for approximately 30 minutes, turning occasionally, until the skin turns a light golden brown. Once the first frying is complete, take the pork belly out of the oil and allow it to cool completely. This resting period helps the fat render properly and prepares the skin for maximum crispiness. You can let it cool for at least 1 hour at room temperature or even refrigerate it for several hours. Once cooled, slice the pork belly into 2-inch thick portions. Now it is time for the final, crucial fry to achieve that ultimate crunch. Reheat the same oil to a higher temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the sliced bagnet pieces back into the very hot oil. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they achieve a deep golden brown color and a distinct, very crispy sound. The skin should be bubbly and crackling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.